yet again here with my buddy Melissa Gilbert.
Yes.
We're partnering Modern Prairie meets, what am I? Funny People Making Food. And we're doing a little thing that we're calling Little House Meals Made Modern. So we're taking ideas from the Little House Cookbook and doing them in a modern American 21st century kitchen.
Yes, exactly.
Basically.
Exactly.
Now, one of the recipes we both really liked from this is what they made, fried parsnips.
Fried parsnips.
Fried parsnips. But it involves a couple things like boiling them and then rolling them in flour and frying them. We're going to make more like a parsnip chip because that's fun, and they make a really nice crunchy garnish. And they're like a little potato chip, but parsnips.
Yeah, and it's actually kind of a great snack for kids.
So you feel better eating them.
Exactly.
Yeah. So we're gonna get this peeled. What I like to do once I peel it is just keep going with the peeler and just make like ribbons. And you can do this with like any root veg, carrots, whatever you like, and make these little ribbons like that. And then we're just gonna fry these up.
That's it. We're not going to do the flour, salt, pepper, none of that stuff.
No, you could. You could toss them a little bit of flour, but I find that you don't even need to.
Great.
So there we go. So we're gonna go to the stove. Meet us there.
See you there.
So what I've got in my pan here is some avocado oil. You want to use a high heat oil, grapeseed, avocado, something like that. And you want to look for the oil kind of start to shimmer on the surface. It's sort of shivering, or does it have legs? I like that. I said that. And you can also always do a little bit of like, does it fry? And if you put it in and it sizzles,
then you're good to go.
then you're good to go. And also we patted these dry a little
Yes.
on paper towels, which is important because you don't want to put anything wet in your oil.
You get a splatter.
Yeah. And then we just kind of leave them in there to crisp up. We're going to pull them out and put them on paper towels. Now at first they're going to seem a little soggy, but as they cool down,
Do they crisp up?
they will crisp up. And now we have our crispy fried parsnips.
We do.
A little different than Ma would have done.
A little salt.
Definitely a little salt on there. You could do salt, you could do like a little chili powder,
Oh, that would
smoked
be fun.
paprika, whatever you like. And then you have your little crispy chip. And
Oh,
it's
that's
so good.
delicious.
Yeah. I know. So
That's
good.
really yummy.
Yeah. And really parsnippy,
Mm-hmm.
like really flavorful and good. They make a great garnish on things like on a salad
Yeah.
or like on fish. Really nice.
Delightful.
Fried parsnips straight from the prairie here in Brooklyn. Yo.